Hello and welcome to Something Creative with Kleina. Today I've got the very famous South Indian breakfast recipe, and that's none other than our Medu Vada. In this video I'm going to share how to make the Medu Vada soft and crispy and oil free. Okay, so don't skip the video, and if you're watching this video and haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon just next to it so that you get a notification every time I upload the video. So do try it and let me know in the comment section how you found this recipe. So let's get into the video.
Here I have taken 10 shallots. You can also take half a onion, 2 green chilies, 1 strand curry leaves and coconut. In order to cut the coconut, run your knife and create small slit. Now cut all the ingredients in bite size. I have also taken 1 inch ginger. It is also cut in small size. Now the main process of getting the batter right is wash and soak 2 cups of urad bean or black gram overnight and grind it into a smooth paste. Don't add too much water. Here I have grinded it in 2 sets, and in all I have only added 8 teaspoons of water. You can see the consistency, and when you are grinding you can slowly add water as required. Push all the batter down so that it is again grinded into a smooth paste, and you can add little water as required. Adding too much of water will make the batter in a flowy consistency, which will again absorb a lot of oil. So now you can see that it has become a smooth paste, so you can remove it in a bowl and finish with the second set. Now let's add all the vegetables one by one. Add salt as per taste. Mix and beat it well, as it will cause aeration and will make the batter soft and fluffy. Now comes our main ingredient. It is maida or all-purpose flour. I'm going to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. If you add maida or all-purpose flour to the vada mixture, the vada mixture will absorb less oil. Now mix them all together. Our mixture looks ready. So let's heat the pan, and I'm going to cook it in coconut oil for the authentic flavor. Always check the temperature of the oil before you start cooking, as the temperature of the oil is a game changer. If the oil is not hot enough, then your vada will absorb more oil. If the oil is too hot, it will make the outer layer crispy and brown fast, but the vada will not be cooked from inside. Here the oil looks just right, so I will make vada and drop it in the oil. To make small donut shaped vada, dip your hands in water, shake it a bit and take a small ball shaped batter and make a hole in the center using your thumb and drop it in the oil. Similarly, I will make the remaining vadas, and make sure not to overcrowd it. Let it cook in medium flame, flipping in between. Cook until it is golden brown from both the sides, and your soft fluffy vada from inside and crispy from outside vada is ready. Enjoy with your favorite chutney and sambar. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and comment below. If you want to see more recipes, also mention in the comment section. So stay tuned for more videos and recipes. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.